to another video. If you're new, hi, my name is Esther and it is so good to have you guys tuning in today. Before we get started, you guys already know the drill. Go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed, subscribe down below, and also hit that notification bell so then you're always notified when your girl uploads. So in today's video, it is all about this beautiful unit from Nadula hair. Yeah! I really am obsessed. Like, I just love how everything turned out. Let me go ahead and pull up the specs and the details for this unit. So like I mentioned, this unit is from Nadula hair. Now I have here the highlighted brown body wave headband wig, and this is a glueless wig, obviously, because it's a headband wig, and it's 150 density. Y'all already know headband wigs are definitely a quick on the go slay your way out the door, honey. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. But if you want something quick and you're not into the lace or the frontal vibes, but you want a unit that's just like really quick and easy to put on, and you can still slay it however you would like. Now you guys know I don't let no baby hair out. I just love rocking headband wigs just like this. Pop on a cute headband and vibe with the cute outfit, and I'm out the door and no one will ever tell that I'm rocking a headband wig. So that's crazy because this unit is so stunning. I am obsessed with the color. It looks very, very nice. Now I will be honest, y'all, I have been loving highlight units on me. I just feel like it just brightens me up, brightens my day. It just completes the whole look. You know, black hair is pretty, don't get me wrong. I love me my black hair. But highlights, oh my gosh, it's a 10 out of 10. It looks so, so pretty on me. The only thing that I wish this unit was more, I wish it was more longer. I would love this unit to be like, I'm not even playing, I'm a short girl, so I would have loved this unit to be 24 or 26 inches, okay? Summer girl is out and about this year, so we want this unit to be longer. So I really do wish this unit was longer, and I also wish it was 180 density, only because I love me a thick, voluminous wig, especially when I'm popping curls on this unit. It would have looked even more fuller, but 150 density is perfect nonetheless. That's just my opinion. I wish it was 180 and I wish it was longer. But in that, y'all, this unit is a 10 out of 10. As always, I will leave the details for this unit in the description box, so definitely check that out. I love y'all as usual. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video. Now, Apenda Sana, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye, beautiful.